All right, so this is generally how you want your marketing, right? Because if you get a really low end offer like this, really tight offer like this, it will cover your ad costs, right? So imagine, right? You're running ads. Let's say you're running ads at $10 a day. You only need two sales per day of your very low ticket item to cover your ad costs. And you do whatever math you have to do. But generally, this is why you don't want to run free marketing and give a free thing. You want to run a paid thing, a really cheap paid thing, and let that cover your ad costs. In addition to that, right down here, this is called a bump. When you're doing a bump, 20% of the people, 20% of 5% of people will take you up on this bump. You make it like a something easier for their life, and they'll take you up on that offer, right? That's the second thing. I didn't draw here. So that's part of this, right? But this is that goes there. And then, so you got your small offer, then you got a main offer. This is where you make people another offer, right? And because you're making them another offer, well, because you hit them here and they already took out their credit card and they already paid, they only have to make a decision. They only have to make a decision if they want it or not. Right? You don't have to convince them. They already know who you are and they're already convinced from you making the offer here. So it's just a matter of them clicking yes for this one. And the same thing here too, right? So I have these percentages. I got to get them right. They're not exactly 100%, but this is like an average of what happens when somebody goes through your funnel. And this is called unlimited marketing, because once you get people to cover this low end offer, right, to buy this, it's not to get rich, it's to cover your ad spend. Once you accomplish this, you're no longer paying for ads. They're paying for themselves. So this is why you want to set it up generally. A lot of us, we go out and we do a free thing and we're giving out that free thing for whatever, and people never take us up on the offer. One thing with marketing is you want to determine who is a buyer and who is not. So you got people that would take all their free information that they can get. But then you got buyers. Buyers buy. No matter how small it is, they buy. They need to understand what kind of value you offer first, but they will buy. And less than 1% of those people will buy. Well, less than 1% of people click on ads on the internet, but that less than 1% of people, they can make you rich. So again, you want a really, really low end offer, really cheap offer right here. And the purpose is to get your ad costs covered. You give them that really cheap offer, and then you make them these other offers. You include that bump too. So, and this is how you get that bam, that unlimited marketing. So I just wanted to share that. I have to explain this a lot. So I wanted to do a video. I know it's a little quick rundown, but I want to do a quick video so I can send this to people when they ask me about marketing, right? Is marketing worth it? Yes, but you got to set it up correctly. All right. So I appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the other side.